Rotary Club of Panaji Midtown constantly strives for the betterment of society. Motivating and growing the next generation is a part of our efforts to achieve this. In its Silver Jubilee year of service, we have initiated this grand all-Goa inter-school quiz competition.
It's not who has come first, second, third. Of course, big congratulations to the first three winners. But the other three people, please understand, St. Joseph's Institute, Chubby Chicks and Hedgewar, you are among the top 6, amongst, you know how many schools? 81 schools. So you are top 6 in 81, so you are not a loser. You have also won. To hold this kind of tournament, this kind of a contest, you require a brain more than anything. And we were lucky to have our quiz master who's come all the way here from Bangalore. Sana, thank you very much. Honestly speaking, first 3 rounds I could not get any answer correct. Not that I was a bad kid in school, I was okay, average. But, and most importantly, I think we should be thanking our principal sponsors. Thank you very much. You know, because of people like you, we are in a position to give this to society. Thanks a lot. Look forward to your support.